Hello, my name is Michael Sparby. I'm with the Agricultural Utilization Research Institute, or AURI. I am here today in search of a commercialization partner interested in changing the face of horticulture as we know it today. AURI is seeking a partnership with a commercial entity interested in a joint product development, exclusive licensing, or a patented bio-based colloidal barrier that replaces plastic mulch film. AURI is a nonprofit research institute that is focused on assisting businesses with value-added opportunities as well as creating new products and processes that utilize Minnesota and regionally grown commodities. We accomplish this through applied research and development, hands-on scientific assistance, and innovative networking in the focus areas of food, co-product utilization, bio-based products, and bio-based renewable energy. One challenge that AURI internally identified is replacing plastics used to grow produce. Research indicates that there's a strong interest in replacing plastic sheeting used in organic and high-value fruit crop production. In the current system, the plastic is laid down on raised beds and the plant plugs are inserted to grow. At the end of the season, the biomass is removed from the plastic and the plastic is removed from the dirt. It is then either landfilled or recycled if there is no plant matter or dirt on it. AURI has developed and patented a bio-based solution called biomulch that is sprayed onto the shaped rows. The plant plugs are inserted into the biomulch to grow, and at the end of the growing season, the biomulch is tilled back into the soil, decomposing and releasing nutrients. Through this technology, we are able to deliver multiple producer benefits and functional capabilities such as color, natural compounds, pest and disease management solutions, and potentially micro and macronutrients. AURI has supported its patent strategy through years of product development and application research, and most recently, field trials with the University of Minnesota that are being conducted to demonstrate the potential of the material prototype. AURI excels at eternally identifying and developing new concepts as well as partnering with businesses looking to explore their new opportunities. AURI is not, however, in a position to commercialize products. AURI requires a partner to continue the effort to commercialization. AURI is seeking a partnership with a commercial entity interested in commercializing the patented bio-based colloidal barrier that replaces plastic mulch film. We are interested in joint commercialization development agreements, licenses, acquisitions, and other agreements. We are not interested in entities that would shelve the product due to competitiveness concerns or entities with no United States presence. We look forward to the proposals we receive and look forward to working towards commercialization of this product. Thank you.